كسر ظهرنا، والله كسر ظهرنا، والله كسر ظهرنا.
Can you hear the sound of suffering?
الحمد لله على كل حال.
What if the sound lasted for 10 years or more? It is a sound that you can find in every Syrian's heart. It is the sound of a war full of explosions, destruction, poverty, and external sanctions that paralyze any action whatsoever. People whose only left thing was a modest house without proper food, electricity, technology, fuel, warmth, or enough money for the bare minimum living-wise. And suddenly, an earthquake hits. And destroys what is left of hope for the future. We are a broken generation. We don't just need a temporary solution to heal our wounds. We need life and a future that we build without any sanctions or an economic blockade. We don't want to die while we are alive. We want our fundamental natural rights from the world and from humanity. Syria is crying out. Stop real sanctions on Syria. أوقفوا المقاطعات عن سوريا.